Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Uncoder Comment. I am Subham. Today I am going to start with new videos, that is the Python division. So let's get started with Python division. So what is the in Python division? There are two types. One is integer division and another is float division. So let's get started with the first line should contain integer division. So how we will do with integer division? So there are two number a and b. So just write here c equal to integer division. So a, we will give double slash, that is a integer division b, then b equal to a division b. So here it is for integer division, and this is for float division. Now let's print it. Print c and print a. Let's run it. So this you can see in the integer division, when 4 divided by 3, that gives only 1. There is no float value, only integer value. When we will divide in the float division, that is 8 1 slash b, that is 1.33333. so that will give the float division. Now let's submit it. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and in next tutorial we will solve another Hackerrank problem. Thank you.